Hey, what's up guys? So I've got a little bit more tackle that just walked in, and I'm really excited about this because this is a new endeavor for us. We definitely have been in tune and hearing what our customers are saying and our subscribers of things they would like to see. So we've got some new colors of hoodies coming. There's blue right there. Let's see, I know got a few of each size, and the reason why I'm doing this is I'm testing out the waters to see what y'all would really like. And then two, it's got our YouTube channel on the bottom. Yes, our other hoodies, we didn't get that, and it wasn't because they didn't do it, it's we forgot to tell them about it. So we were in such a hurry to get it done. And yes, obviously we're still getting our normal colors in, but it's upgraded. Yes, now y'all can see it, guys. So while you're out sporting our gear, supporting our shop, y'all can actually really do some advertising for us. So we got all this. Oh yes, like I said, guys, we really went into it. And then we've got different colors of the same, just so we can give y'all a little bit of attitude. It's the best word I can think of. So now y'all can pick and choose what color y'all want to go with. And like I said, this is just the start. We are going to really start changing it up and getting some different kind of coloring in here. Yes, we're really going to be getting on it. So we got those four colors in there. I'm gonna run out of space if I keep going like that, but I want to get through all the boxes because, like I said, we're gonna get some different coloring, change it up just a little bit. Oh yeah, I can't. Just like, yeah, I should have caught that on film right there. Yes, sir. So, this one's gonna be hot. That's gonna be hot right there.
Yellow?
Yeah. So, yeah, we kind of went a little crazy on the coloring, but that was the whole point. We wanted to test the water, see what would be great. And granted, there's still a few things, a little tweaks I'm gonna do. That will come. Yeah, we've got, yes. This is gonna be awesome. This one I like too. Yep. Yes. Let's see. Some colors. Down. Yeah. Okay. Pull that one in. There we go. Another color. Yeah. Yeah, needless to say, my guys are going to have a lot of work here in a minute, but that's what it's for. Now this is hot. That, yeah, I like that a lot. I might have to get me one today. Yep.
$75.
Yep. Let's see. This, ooh, look at that. I like that too. It took me a minute to go through and pick the colors that we wanted to go with. We definitely were looking to change up the game.
Yes.
Oh yeah, this is an Incredible Hulk right here. I love that. Yep. So I know somebody that's gonna want that because after their fishing last night, he got himself a purple rod. Let's see what else we got. There's what that color. Yeah, buddy. Yep. We got some colors, some sizes. Oh, that's nice too. Look at that. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I like this. Subtle, but it's there. Yeah. Yeah, I like that. Let's see. Yep. A little bit of a darker orange right there. I may not be giving y'all quite the look at on them, but it does. Oh, look at that. Ooh-wee. Needless to say, guys, y'all can give us a call here at the shop, 361-334-2171, and get some hoodies ordered because tis the season for it. And got that one. Yes, I think I already did that. Yes, I did. Yeah, buddy. It's a lot of colors, a lot of sizes. So I don't have every single size and every single color, but I do have wide color variations and the ability to get them in. So all you have to do is give us a call. We'll check through the inventory, see what we got, and if we don't have it, we can have it very quickly thereafter. So again, guys, welcome to some new color changes. And like I said, this is just a start. We got so many things in motion right now. We're not a very good juggler, but I'm learning. So all right, guys, y'all have a good one. Hope you enjoyed that one.
Got a bite. I think I got a lot of stress on my mind. It's a nice day to go. Yeah, I gotta learn. I'ma call up the whole team.
So, hey, what's up, guys? This is Team Hard Life Captain Albert Sastuccia here, and I'm pretty excited, guys. I have been doing these video shorts on my channel, and wow, I got blown away the other day. Literally, we have 2 videos up there right now. One is of Co-Captain Gary casting out on Causeway Pier into the wind, and it's just him casting, and it's 21,000 views in 3 days. Actually, that was as of yesterday. I think it kind of slowed down today, and then I pulled in a nice slot drum, and I was telling you what I was trying to tell you was that I caught on the double drop drum leader with the fish bites, and I caught a nice little drum, you know, and that's what I was putting in the video short. But it was so windy that day, all I did was, you know, put it in there and uploaded it and stuff like that. And that video got 36,000 views. And all you hear is wind and me showing you a drum. Maybe I need to start doing some videos like that where you can't hear me. I don't know. Do I not like my voice? So anyways, back to the shorts. Doing a lot of that because it's going to give y'all a little insight of what videos are coming and stuff like that. And with everything that I got going on, sometimes I'm delayed a few days because of the amount of videos that are coming out or that we're doing and stuff like that. So this will kind of give you a little time frame. Okay, this was from that day, and it'll actually keep you in track a little better. So stay tuned for that. Now today too, we want to go over a little bit of the toy drive of what's going on there. Waiting on a list from them. We're looking anywhere from 5 to 10 families between 3 to 5 kids or whatever they may have. But we are still accepting gifts here at the shop, new unwrapped toys. This Sunday, we are actually having Santa Claus come here to the shop so y'all can take pictures with. The only deal is you gotta bring unwrapped toys so that way we can, it's a toy drive, guys. So he's here, you can take pictures with Santa and stuff like that, but you gotta bring unwrapped toys to be able to do the pictures with us. And because Monday's our last day for the the toy drive, so that way we can get them wrapped and in time and into the family's hands before Christmas, so that way they can, you know, start their week off really nice. So again, guys, truly humbled and blessed with all the work that everybody's been doing with the donations to our shop here and or through Cash App, $ Team Hard Life, one word. And please include in there for toy drive. If you're sending money for the drawings, which I'm about to go over, it's $20 a ticket. Please include which drawings you want to do if you're doing multiple drawings, and your cell phone number. If you forget your number, I'm going to send you a charge for $1 asking you for your number, guys. So it's something that I've had to do because I don't know how many times I repeat myself here, but you know, it's making it a little harder for me, and I need y'all to kind of be on that when you do send them funds for your tickets, so I can send you confirmation of your ticket numbers via text. So be expecting that. Our current situation on the drawings, drawing number 12 for the SX Raptor spooled up, we have sold 18 tickets, we got 10 left. Drawing number 14 for the MXL Raptor, we've sold 13 tickets, we got 15 left. The Team Hard Life rod, we've sold 12, we got 14 left. And on the Team Hard Life rod, the winner gets to pick what colors they want on the rod and so forth. So once that one gets done, they get to pick and so forth on that, and then we will build it. Drawing number 16 is the LX Raptor spooled up. We sold 5 tickets, we got 34 left. So again, guys, there's a good chance that we can sell out of this before Christmas, so that way y'all can add another gift to the tree or what have you. So we're really looking forward to that. Now, on that note, y'all saw where I did a spooling video on one of my reels. I've been testing the 12-strand Cortland braid for the last 4 months, and I finally got down to where I needed a new top shot. So I went ahead and showed y'all me stripping down what few yardage was left to go back to the original line. Went out wind fishing. You saw all the video shorts on that. I don't know if I'll have the fight videos up by the time you watch this video, but yeah, that happened on the way home today, or yesterday. We were coming home and all of them were engaged, but I guess my net moved when I was driving and sent it into free spool, so my line went flying down the highway. Yeah, we didn't find out until about 30 minutes after our trip started that was going on, and we caught back some of the line, but not all of it. But it also showed too, my knot stayed because all of this was off the reel and it was down to the knot. So again, guys, that knot is really strong, and now I gotta start from scratch again. So yeah. Now, we do have a YouTube winner today, Tony. Yeah, he won one of our drawings, and it's been a while. He won the 10-foot custom with an MXL Raptor, and that was the green rod I showed y'all last week sometime. And that's all he could see was the video, but finally gets to get it in hand. And yeah, that is
one bad puppy right there.
that's yeah. It walked in, I was like, ooh, do I gotta sell that? I mean, do I gotta get that on the way? I was like,
Yeah, that's a bad puppy right there.
oh yeah. So I do have to ask.
I know you're gonna ask. When my stepson, well, he's 20-something now, but when he was younger, he was into gaming, Xbox and PlayStation. and
Oh,
everything.
so it's like a tag
So
game?
he was playing, and I started that with Hatred 72, and then he was playing football. His number is 48, so he's Hatred 48. And now my 11-year-old, he's Hatred 11.
Oh,
So
nice.
that's kind of why we stayed with that.
Nice.
So yeah, that's what that's all about.
That
I
is
know you're
pretty
curious.
Yeah, I was. I was like, what? Okay, cool. That's very nice. So now the other thing is too, you got it with the MXL Raptor. So with the deal on that is I've got 2 available, it looks like. Let me make sure. But as you can tell, that the tint on them is a little different because it is done by hand. It is not done by machine. So occasionally you'll get those variances in color. Yeah, those are S6 and then we got LX. Okay, so you get to pick which one you want and then we'll get it spooled up for you. He was looking for white in 60 and chartreuse in the 100?
Yes.
Okay. All right, guys, so I'm gonna get him spooled up and we'll come back and close it out, but yep, that's where we're gonna go with. Which one did you say? No, the light one?
Yes, sir.
Well, we'll see how it looks once it's on the rod. The other ones are like, yeah, we want the white group brisket. No, like, hey, what's up, guys? So I've got his reels pulled up right here. See how it looks on the rod?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like these reel seats because they got the Teflon in there, so that way now it ain't aluminum on aluminum, and that's gonna be pretty sweet. Less cleaning to worry about and stuff like that. Oh, that is beautiful. Even with the brighter color and the darker on it. Yeah. That is awesome. That is very
I
nice.
sure appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Congratulations again. And yep, let me get one last little one real quick like that.